Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin. So, for example, now I'll take the image, and now I'll open the gallery. As you can see here, I have the photo I was recently taken, and I will remove it. And as you can see, image was moved to the recycle bin, and if you want to restore it, you need to click on the three lines button on the left top corner of your screen, then choose recycle bin, and here you will see all your deleted photos and videos. And as you can see, here I have 30 days for permanently deleting this photo from my device. So after deleting the photo or the video, you have 1 month to restore it. If you don't do it, the photo or video will permanently removed from your device without the ability of restoring. So to the photo or video you want to restore, you can choose several photos and videos and then click restore. Open pictures again, and as you can see, photo was successfully restored. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!